Discovering the potential of GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub is the dynamic core of software development, a platform where billions of developers from around the world come together. It's like the social media platform for coders, but instead of selfies, we're sharing code. Uses of GitHub, showcasing collaboration. With GitHub, you can collaborate seamlessly with teammates. It's like a coding playground for developers to work together, no matter where they are in the world. Version control at its best. GitHub is a version control wizard. It keeps track of every change in your project, like a time machine for your code. Powerful project management. GitHub offers an incredible issue tracking system. You can track tasks, bugs, and project progress with ease. Unveiling open source. GitHub is the go-to place for open source projects. It's where brilliant minds come together to create amazing software, and it's all open for you to explore and contribute. Code review and quality. Want to improve your code quality? GitHub's got your back. You can submit pull requests, have your code reviewed, and learn from the best. Enhanced security. Security is paramount, and GitHub knows it. Enjoy robust security features, including two-factor authentication and vulnerability scanning. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more tech-tastic content.